Hello friends. Next question from BARC PYQ series. In this question they have asked us the ratio of second nearest neighbor to first nearest neighbor distance in FCC. Look at here. This is one picture of FCC. We have located the atoms at the edge of the unit cell and at the faces of the each surface. So we have total 6 atoms on the each plane surface. Atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They all are the partly faces of the atom. Alright. So look at here. We will fix one atom. We will fix any one atom to calculate all the nearest atom. Alright. See. From this atom to the distance of this atom is A. And the distance from this atom to this atom is root 2A, because this is the planar surface, and I will show you next how it will be the root 2A, and the distance between these atom to these atom from here to here will be root 3A. Let me show you a planar view. Here planar view, only the above side or any side from this cube we can take it out. Let's see, this is the edge length A and we have the atoms 1 2 3 4. If we are going to calculate the diagonal or this distance from here to here, we are going to add up or we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem to calculate the diagonal distance. By using the PGT, we are here, we can calculate the diagonal distance or the distance between the nearest neighbor atom. And if we see here in FCC, we have one atom at the upper surface of the cube. See, and this atom is somewhere in the middle of the upper surface. So we can show this atom here in this way, which is half length of the diagonal distance. So we can directly do the half of the diagonal distance. PO is the half of the diagonal length. We can calculate it A by root 2. Now let us see what will be the next nearest neighbor atom. We have our nearest neighbor atom, first nearest neighbor atom A by root 2, which value is 0.707, and the second nearest neighbor atom is A, and how the third nearest neighbor atom will be calculated. Let us have a look. In the FCC we have this arrangement. You see the atom from this planar surface to the atom on the edge, and somewhere here we have atom on the lower surface also. This is the upper surface and lower surface. The distance between the centered atom to the edged atom, we can see a triangular forming here. We can clearly see a triangular is forming here. Now to calculate the distance of AB, we can use the PGT again. AB whole square is equals to the this length is equal to the edge length. We can see this AC length is equal to the edge length, which is A, and we can see distance from B to C is the half of the diagonal. So we can easily calculate by the PGT the distance of AB. Just substitute the values here and we will get the distance A into root 3 by 2. So the numerical value of A into root 3 by 2 will be the 1.224A. So that's why this is the third nearest neighbor atom. And the fourth nearest neighbor atom to this fixed point will be root 2A, 1.41A. And assume or look here, just have a 3D look in your mind. The distance from this atom to this atom will be root 3A. So this is our fifth nearest neighbor atom. They have asked us to calculate the ratio of second nearest neighbor to the first nearest neighbor distance will be, second is A, it will be A upon A by root 2. We'll have root 2. Answer is root 2. So if you have any query regarding this question, please comment below, or you can contact me through my email ID. Thank you so much. Please keep watching the video and also do like the video.